Good morning. Today, I am super excited for what we're doing today. Anna?
Not so much.
Not so much. We're taking our cars and we're going to Georgetown Lake to do a bit of ice racing.
We just made it to Georgetown Lake. We were gonna record a really cool intro by the lake, but the gusts of wind are up to 70 miles an hour. It is very, very, very cold today.
We're gonna go get checked in and go through our tech inspection.
Hello. How are you today?
We're gonna do one lap single file.
Next to me is Stephanie. She was the girl who raced with me, and she's the wife of one of the people who run this. So she was super nice and super helpful. So I just want to say thank you, Stephanie from our gang Ice Racing, for all of your help. You are so wonderful.
We've just stopped for some lunch. We've done about 5 or 6 runs in them this morning, I think.
Quite a few.
It's been a good amount, and the ice is super, super slick. Sometimes you have a little layer of snow, gives you some grip. Today it's just so slick right now.
Yeah, you can't really go fast because if you give it more gas, the car doesn't really go anywhere and your wheels just spin out.
Just keep spinning. You're like, I'm going nowhere.
So it's really, really slow going, but it's still pretty fun. I'm not as anxious as I was last time, and it's just progressively getting better. Like this morning, I just wanted to leave.
No. Yeah, you did. You're like super upset this morning.
I was pissed. I was like crying. I was like, I don't want to do this. I'm gonna go home. We're just finishing lunch right now. We're gonna take some pictures, and I'm gonna hop in the car with Adam to do a couple ride-alongs to just get some different video vantage points. I may or may not have wiped out on the ice and then sat in my car. This is the aftermath. Don't worry, he's okay. All right, so come, we'll be back. All right, you ready?
Oh yeah.
Look at this ice. So cool. That's where we're going.
We're just waiting to turn before we start going.
We're in line. Alrighty. Let it go! We made it.
So you have fun?
Yeah.
So much
That was
fun.
pretty cool. I was almost gonna do one more, but like you left, so I was like, well, that's fine.
We can go do one more.
No.
Okay.
At this point, I'm out, so.
Yeah. Well, I think the only thing's left now is to get some dinner.
Yeah.
Your destination is on the right.
That is hysterical.
So we got pulled pork sandwich. We got some cream of corn. We got something that starts with C. What was it?
Mac and cheese.
We got mac and cheese. We got Carolina style pulled pork. We got some fried pickles. And then we got some potato salad.
Yum.
I'm so excited.
Ready to dig in?
Oh yeah. It's so good. That was so delicious. I am about to explode right now. It's so good.
Yeah, I am quite full. We didn't finish the sides because it was very cold outside and our hands were numb. But this place came with really high recommendations from one of our neighbors and a couple of other friends. So of course we had to stop for Adam's birthday.
I just figured like you're driving the highway like, ooh, barbecue.
No, it was completely recommended by people. So that's why we stopped here and it was delicious. And so our conclusion for ice racing.
Oh, I had so much fun. So this is my third time. This is Anna's second time. And I think of the times we've gone, this is probably the best time.
It was the best time. The first time I did it, I did a few runs and I was done. Like I had such a pounding headache, just super high tension because I was so nervous. This time, I almost quit after my first run. I was crying and cursing because I didn't know where the track was. I didn't know where I was supposed to be doing, so I finished short and just said, to hell with it, I want to leave. But luckily, Stephanie, who is the wife of somebody who manages it, I think, or owns it.
I think she's at the president.
Oh, well, so fancy pants.
Oh, I know.
She was very friendly. So after talking to her for a while and with her kindness, I felt a lot better. And by the end, you almost couldn't take me off the track.
She went I was like, cool, I think I'm done for the day.
I was like, yeah, this will be our last run. And then I was like hoping that Adam wasn't gunning it to the exit because I was like, oh, I kind of want to do one more. That was so much fun.
It was so much fun. It was probably like the days. We had a great weather day other than the fact that it was windy. And there wasn't a ton of people there either. It started like really thinning out towards the end. You almost just started just doing laps around it. It was getting that empty.
Yeah, no, so it was really great. So thanks so much for tagging along with us on this adventure. We hope you enjoyed it. And it would mean a lot to us if you hit that subscribe button below. Adam's going to drop our Instagram information so you can find us there too. And we'll see you on the next Colorado pandemic adventure.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi and bye.
He's going on his car now with his
going
water.
back to my car. We're separating. Although the people at the ice racing thought it was really cool that we as couples came together in two separate cars so we could both race our own cars.
Did they really say that?
Yes.
No way. Who said that?
The guy doing the tech inspection.
Oh.
He's like, is that your wife? I was like, yeah. He's like, you guys drove separately? He's like, we both want to drive our cars.
Oh. There you go.
Surprise.